315 marketing workflows for you 100% free. If you are clicking around trying to find these, you can get them right here. n8n marketing workflows 100% free. This one is scrape business emails from Google Maps without the use of any third-party APIs. Okay, I've personally done this. Now you know the issue is it's not getting the workflows. The issue is getting the APIs and credentials actually connected. So I can definitely help you with that. But if you want to get in here, there are 315 marketing workflows you can download 100% for free without paying any money to any schools, any gurus, any hoo-hoos. You can get in here, mess around with this. That's how I learned. That's how you should learn. Mess around with the free workflows, which are actually way more advanced than most of the school workflows that you would pay for. So if you need help, I do one-on-one coaching, consulting, mentoring. I can definitely help you out. But really, if you're like me and you're trying to get in here and just learn this, there's a 315 marketing workflows that you can get. Start messing around and working with yourself. Check it out.